I've been doing boat trailers since 1985. I started Phoenix Trailers in the fall of '04, and started with an understanding of what was a good trailer and addressed what I knew were some of the deficiencies to make the best trailer.
It's nice to work directly with dealers. That's 95% of our focus. We do have projects with some manufacturers, but they're limited to specific things where dealers are still our #1 priority. They're very important to us. They don't get lost in the shuffle. We do some things with Avalon Pontoons. We're doing a direct thing on their wake tune.
We work with multiple manufacturers, and we deal with the unique combination of bunks that are required for the differential size logs on the Manitous, the ellipticals on the Benningtons, the PTX bottoms on the Premiers. That's one of the advantages that we have and how we do things is we can adapt.
We do a lot of hands-on. A lot of people are touching the trailers, making sure they're done right, making sure the steel's clean before it's painted. We take a lot of pride in what we do. When we stack them, we use stacking blocks instead of putting it directly on the paint. We have a lot of good people working here, and everybody takes pride in their work.
One thing that we really have an advantage, Chip, the owner, has systems in place he personally oversees that we don't create a lot of issues. When you call in here, chances are you're going to get to him. He does know what's going on in this company, and he's out here immediately to fix an issue, to ask the questions, to make it correct, and to reach out to the dealer.
One of the other things that really I think is important, and it lends itself to the quality of the product, is our entire brake and suspension system is designed, engineered, and manufactured by one company. So whereas a lot of trailer companies will piecemeal parts. They'll use an actuator from one company, brake components from another, an axle from another. Well, if the customer has an issue down the road, everybody stands around and points their fingers at one another, and the customer is the guy that's left hanging out to dry. So one of the things that I've always been adamant about is the entire brake and suspension system is manufactured by one company.
We overbuild. We're always open to make it better. We're always open to innovation. Like I said, we build a lot of trailers for a lot of different situations and applications, and we are very tuned in to making things happen the way that it needs to happen, not the way we would like it to happen.
But we've seen a tremendous amount of growth in the bigger tri-tunes with some higher end feature content. We've done more colors, custom logos, custom wheels, and really right on down to custom options. We're not the biggest, don't necessarily want to be the biggest, but at the end of the day, I want everybody that works for me to go home and know they did and they built the best product they could for our customers.